हरि करना।
So now let's look into the applications of permutations in machine learning. So permutations are a useful concept in machine learning, particularly in the fields of natural language processing, image processing, and recommendation systems. So here are some of the applications of permutations in machine learning. Let's begin with natural language processing. In natural language processing, permutations are used to generate all possible sequences of words from a given set of words. These sequences can be used for various tasks such as language modeling, text classification, and machine translation. And so example, if you take up an example here, permutations can be used in language modeling tasks such as generating all possible sentence structures for a given set of words. For example, given the words I love pizza and because, permutations can generate all possible sentence structures such as I love pizza because, I love because pizza, pizza because I love, and so on. So these sentence structures can be used to train a language model to predict the next word in a sentence or to generate coherent sentences. That's where a permutation comes in handy when we deal with natural language processing. Then we have image processing. In image processing, so permutations in image processing, permutations are used to generate all possible arrangements of pixels in an image. In permutations are used to generate all possible arrangements of pixels in an image. This can be useful for tasks such as object recognition, image segmentation, and image retrieval. Image retrieval. So if we take up some example for this, permutations can be used in image segmentation tasks such as generating all possible segmentation of an image. For example, given an image of a dog, permutations can generate all possible segmentations of the image into regions corresponding to the dog's body, face, legs, and so on. So these segmentations can be used to train an image segmentation model to identify different objects or regions within an image. Then we have a recommendation systems. In recommendation systems, permutations used to generate all possible combinations of its items that a user might be interested. So this can be useful for tasks such as person person personalized product recommendations and content based filtering. So an example for this is permutations can be used in recommendation systems to generate all possible combinations of items that a user might be interested in. For example, given a user's history of purchases or interactions with a website, permutations can generate all possible combinations of products or content that user might be interested in. So these combinations can be used to train a recommendation model to suggest a personalized recommendations to the user. Then the most important one, very important one, that is reinforcement learning. In reinforcement learning, permutations are used to generate all possible state action pairs that an agent can take in a given environment. So this can be useful for tasks such as policy evaluation, policy iteration, and value iteration. So permutation can be used in reinforcement learning tasks such as generating all possible state action pairs that an agent can take in a given environment. For example, given an environment in which an agent can move in four directions: up, down, left, and right on a grid. So permutations can generate all possible state action pairs, such as moving up from a given position, moving down from a given position, and so on, so forth. So these state action pairs can be used to train a reinforcement learning model to learn an optimal policy for the agent to take in the environment. So overall, permutations are a powerful tool in machine learning and can be used to generate all possible combinations of elements in a given set, making them a valuable tool for solving complex problems.